Hey, welcome back everyone. This is just going to be a quick video on how to put SCX6 wheels onto your Yikong Rockslide YK4061 or your Vertex 6. First, you're going to start out by taking off the little cover. It's got 5 2mm hex bolts on it. You're going to take your 17mm wrench. This has already been off, so it's not as bad to get off, but sometimes people say it can be pretty rough and you got to use an impact to get them off, so just be careful. Some people have actually stripped out the threads. So take that off. That under there to hold it. You're going to need a 2.5mm hex. Take out this set screw here. You're going to pop this pin out through here and pull the adapter off. Next, you're going to need to put some spacers in between the SCX6 hex and the bearing. There's about 2mm worth of space between this hex and that bearing. So unfortunately, I ran out of bigger hex, spacers, so I got a bunch of little 0.3s and 0.2 to make up 2mm. You're going to put your hex on. You're going to get your 5mm pin screw. Put just a dab of Loctite on. I've been using purple, even though you could probably do blue on here, but I don't want to go crazy. This one doesn't really need it because your wheel kind of holds it on, but you know, just a little extra. Put that all the way in. You're going to want this flush. Don't have that sticking out. Don't want it sticking out the backside either. These luckily are just short enough where they don't go out the back. You're going to need to take your grub screw. It's an M5 by 16mm I'm using. People will go up to 20 and a little bit higher, I think. I tried a 25 because that's what I thought that people said. Way too long. They stick out like crazy. Unless you're going to put some kind of hex spacers on, not needed. This 16 is perfectly fine. Tighten that right down. So now your pin in there is getting held. The pin is screwed in, but also it's getting held in by this. Next, you need to drill out the center. The center of these are a 5mm hole. I've already drilled this one out, but I use like a step bit that goes up to 5/16 or 8mm and just drill it out till it's at 8mm right there, or 5/16. You're going to want to take this, pop this on. Get your 5mm nut with your 8mm wrench. Tighten that right up. These have a little hubcap, make it look pretty. If I can get it on there. And there you go. You got SCX6 wheels on your Vertex 6 or your Rockslide. A lot of the SCX6 tires are a thicker carcass. This one has about 2.5mm thick carcass in between the lugs. But I have 3D printed inserts in here. The design is from Team Revolt. They look like they're going to do pretty good. They got a little bag right here alone. This is 3%, and I got 4% in the back for infill. It's a two-stage insert. So 3% on the outside, 4% on the outside on this one, just to stiffen it up in the back for climbing. Any questions, comments, suggestions, throw them down below. I haven't had an issue yet with the install. I haven't ran them yet. The other thing you got to watch out for is to see if this rubs or not. On these stock tires, since they ballooned out so much, let's see if I can find the one that was on that front. I believe it was this one. Yeah, this one, it was rubbing here. You can see like a line right around this, like that lip of the tire right here. That's where it rubbed on here every so often when I was flexing it out. But since this has a 3D printed insert and this is a 895A on the inside, I'm hoping it's going to keep it away from it. If not, these wheels actually have thicker hubs, and I'll probably maybe toss those on. We'll see. But anyways, any questions or anything, like I said, throw them down below. Hope you have a good day.